professional English, not too difficult but useful for work. Here's Set 7 Office Professional Antonyms, or Office Antonym Quiz Set 7. 1. What is the antonym of approve? A. Accept. B. Reject. C. Confirm. Answer. Reject. 2. What is the antonym of increase? Grow. Decrease. C. Rise. Answer. Decrease. 3. What is the antonym of permanent? Temporary. B. Lasting. C. Stable. Answer. Temporary. 4. What is the antonym of successful? A. Failed. B. Achieved. C. Good. Answer. 5. What is the antonym of efficient? Productive. B. Inefficient. C. Fast. Answer. Inefficient. 6. What is the antonym of flexible? A. Adjustable. B. Rigid. C. Soft. Rigid. 7. What is the antonym of confident? A. Sure. Doubtful. C. Positive. Answer. Doubtful. 8. What is the antonym of organized? A. Messy. B. Neat. Structured. Answer. Messy. #9. What is the antonym of productive? A. Efficient. B. Unproductive. C. Active. Unproductive. 10. What is the antonym of agree? A. Accept. B. Refuse. C. Disagree. Tip for office use. These words are common in emails,